All right. What a pleasant day to start another year. Remember the Mixel news station? And the guys who run the show, Screeno, Mike, and Camsta. Lucky for you guys, this is their max. That's how we're gonna start off this year. What can I say? I love Mixels. And I have a dog named Cabo that I love more. Here's the Mix TV mark. Alright, the next thing is that we gotta draw this mark here. Here's his hand. Here's his mic. Here's the propeller on his back. That was Camsta's propeller. What is up with the Eagles lately? There we are.
Keep an eye on her, that other dog doesn't come in.
There we are. One last thing to draw, and that's the microphone in his other hand. Just to remind you that this is Mike's mic. Get it? One minute. Got it. Anyway, now where were we? Oh yeah. Checking out Mike's mic. There we are. That is how you draw the Mixel City news department max. Anyway, this is just the start of a new beginning. this is the start of a new season. I know I'm out on vacation, probably traveling Earth somewhere. This is recording from 2023. So stay prepared for what new fighters I'm going to draw up next. And I promise the next fighter will be, well, I don't know when I'm going to draw them, but it's going to be a start. Anyway, stay tuned for more Mixel Fusions. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. Good night.